Hello and welcome to today's Bitcoin price prediction video. And yes, Bitcoin got an insane fake out towards the upside, trapping approximately 400 million of buy pressure almost exactly at the top. And this video is going to be slightly more of a different one because I am going to talk you through what has been happening in the Bitcoin market for the past couple of hours, and also how potentially we could be approaching the charts for another buy or another sell position, maybe even in the next couple of hours. But remember yesterday, we were mentioning that Bitcoin was trading at the bottom of our range at the golden Fibonacci ratio at 38,400 US dollars. And we literally set one and very important rule yesterday. If we would like to be slightly more bullish, we would simply like to see acceptance above our point of control at 39,200 US dollars approximately. This volume level right here was an important level of resistance. From high to low right here, you can definitely see our golden Fibonacci ratio was exactly at our point of control. Strong level of resistance where, of course, I was interested, potentially going with a short or a sell position on a sign of weakness. When we started pulling towards the upside on Bitcoin, towards our level of resistance, we simply need to look how we actually got a pull towards the upside on Bitcoin. So, looking at our open interest, what we are going to see, the entire time Bitcoin has been pulling up, open interest was also going higher and higher. That being said, brand new money was still kicking into the market when we were pulling at our golden Fibonacci ratio. And because of that, of course, in my opinion, there was not any high probability trades to actually go with a short position right here because people were still longing, brand new money was still kicking into the market when Bitcoin still was moving towards the upside. Then another important level was actually hit that we were paying attention to for the past couple of days. And of course, it was our volume level that it was previously also very nicely respected. Couple of days ago, of course, you can see we went with our bigger volume right here. We also hit our bigger volume right here, value area low. Also, right here, we hit our value area low, our level of resistance. And what you're going to see, if we forward a little bit, we came on the Bitcoin price almost exactly to our value area low, 39,700 US dollars. But remember, right now we are trading above our point of control, which is, in my opinion, considered bullish. And I am potentially looking for our next target that we were mentioning also yesterday, which is, of course, the top of our range, approximately 40,200 US dollars. We could be interested, potentially looking for longs at the levels of support. And remember, when point of control was broken towards the upside, we, of course, got our level of support at $39,150. We literally hit the point of control almost to the exact dollar accuracy, bouncing right here and smashing towards the upside above our top of the range. Remember, if we are trading at the top of the range, I am only interested going with a short or a sell position on the Bitcoin price. And let me show you something insane. Remember, a couple of days ago, we were also mentioning that Bitcoin is trading in some kind of a symmetrical triangle, connecting our higher lows, connecting our lower highs. I think you are going to agree with me. Definitely the price action is in the shape of the symmetrical triangle. And we were looking for buys on the fake out, and of course, literally exactly the same thing. We are looking for short positions on the fake out towards the upside. Let me show you. Approximately 400 million of buy pressure kicked in exactly on this specific candle. How do I know that? Because what we are going to do right now, let's go with 100 ticks, for example. You can see those numbers right here are numbers of Bitcoins on Binance Exchange of buy pressure. So let's go with a simple calculation right now. We can see 2,200 Bitcoin at the start right here, plus 2,100 plus 3,000 Bitcoins, and at the exact top, 2,300 Bitcoins. Approximately 9,600 Bitcoins kicked in exactly at the top, and this is at the area of approximately 40,500 US dollars. Literally, you can see approximately 400 million of buy pressure kicked in exactly at the top. Of course, in my opinion, if you also look at the open interest right here, open interest actually decreased. Money is going out of the market. People are getting liquidated. People are getting stopped out. Bearish indication. And of course, because of that, we are looking for shorts or sell positions at this specific area. Now, before we talk about what has been happening for the past couple of hours on Bitcoin, why are we right now seeing a rotation towards the upside? If you haven't already, please smash up the like button right now, because the goal for this video would actually be to reach at least 500 likes, and thank you very much if you right now actually smashed the like button. I am going to show you our next target in a moment, but first of all, what I would like to say. We got a pull towards the downside. Of course, remember, at the top of the range, especially if no brand new money is coming into the market, we are more interested going with a short or a sell position. Now, at the support levels, of course, if we are still trading above the point of control, in my opinion, we can still be interested, maybe even going with a long position. And what you're going to see in this case, we hit, after the rejection towards the downside, our point of control, $39,150. Also remember, going on the 4-hour time frame, measuring the entire price action with our volume, the entire triangle that we are forming right here, you can also see point of control, the biggest volume cluster of the entire price action, it actually was also, if we zoom out a little bit here, exactly at this specific area. And on top of that, going with the 1-hour time frame, measuring the entire pull towards the upside, golden pocket exactly here, another confluence, if you also say like that, it was our exponential moving averages on the 1-hour time frame at this specific area. And simply right now, we are seeing a very nice bounce exactly from this level of support. Most probably right now you're wondering, bro, what is going to be your next target if Bitcoin is going to continue up? Would you long here? Would you short here? Our very next important price target for Bitcoin is going to be our high-term time frame level, which is going to be daily level at $41,935 This is simply going to be our next target if Bitcoin is going to be able to continue its way towards the upside. One question that I also believe you're asking yourself, is this the best long position that you could potentially go for? In my opinion, the answer is going to be simply no. Why? Because we are not trading at the level of support. And as I actually said a couple of hours ago, or actually a couple of minutes ago on Twitter right here, pro tip, buy the support level, sell the level of resistance. And at the moment, Bitcoin, if we go once again with your Fibonacci retracement, from swing high to swing low, golden pocket for Bitcoin was actually hit right here. And looking how we pulled into this specific golden Fibonacci ratio, let's go maybe on Bybit right here, what we are going to see, open interest for Bitcoin insanely increased for the past couple of minutes. So we need to ask ourselves, is this open interest with brand new buys or brand new sell positions? And also, how good of a job a buying positions are doing at this specific golden Fibonacci ratio. So what you're going to see, definitely brand new buying positions are opening right here. Let's go maybe with the 10 tick right here for us to see this a little bit better. So I would say at the moment, of course, because we hit our golden Fibonacci ratio, this is literally not an area for us to be looking to go with a buy or a long position on Bitcoin. I would be more interested going with a sell, but before I show you what would be bearish indication I would like to see before firing a short position, if you would like to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum with us, there are insane free bonuses to be had. On Bybit up to 600, but on Delta Exchange right now up to $30,000 for free in trading bonus. Sign up with this specific link. After initial deposit, you get a bonus, you can trade with the bonus, and withdraw the profits to your own wallet. All of the free major bonuses are available down below in the description for you for free. So what would be bearish indication we need to see if, of course, we would like to be a little bit more bearish on the Bitcoin price? We have two very important options right here. First option, if you would like to be a little bit more conservative, let's just say, we can be looking for the break of a diagonal level of support we are forming on the 1-hour time frame, and we have been respecting this support level for the past couple of hours on the Bitcoin price. Lose a diagonal level of support, that is most probably also going to mean we are then going to lose our point of control, which is our biggest volume cluster of the entire horizontal range. Lose a diagonal level, bearish indication, of course, then we are looking for potential lower price targets on the Bitcoin price. Now, another thing that I would personally like to see is simply going to be acceptance back into our horizontal range. At the moment, we are trading above the range, but of course, we would like to see pull back into our horizontal range. A lot of people, I believe, at the top of the range here are still going to be extremely bullish. So I would like to see bearish market structure on a lower term time frame would be, in my opinion, bearish indication, sign of weakness. I would like to see Bitcoin going back into our horizontal range, preferably with the open interest increase and brand new sell positions opening on the Bitcoin price. This is, in my opinion, going to be, of course, sign of weakness, bearish indication, and then, of course, potentially we are looking for a rotation towards the downside on the Bitcoin price. Remember, because we are at the top of the range, yes, one could say potentially we can continue higher, but remember, I would personally not long here, not buy here, simply because buy the support, sell the level of resistance. Now, let's go on the daily time frame. Also, something very important is happening on our daily time frame. If our daily candle is going to be closed like that, simply Bitcoin is going to confirm brand new daily high-term time frame level of support. $39,300 is going to be our brand new daily level of support. We can, of course, also pay attention to, and what you're going to see, this daily level that potentially could be confirmed in the next couple of hours is simply going to be our point of control. So once again, if we do see a rotation towards the downside, a very important support level that we simply need to pay attention to, not only because of our volume level, not only because of our daily high-term time frame level that could be potentially confirmed, also because we have our diagonal level almost exactly at the specific area at $39,300 right here on the Bitcoin price. And if you haven't already right now, please smash up the like button, because the goal for this video would actually be to reach at least 500 likes. Subscribe to the channel because I'm doing daily Bitcoin price predictions and technical analysis videos every single day. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day. Peace out.